Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope that you are having a great day in whatever part of the world that it is that you are in, whatever time it is. I hope that you're having a great day. This is the Black Conservative Liberal coming through with another video, another one of my podcast opinions, whatever you want to call it. In this video, I want to talk specifically to the ladies in Atlanta who have been co-signing nonsense from the former mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms. But before I get into the video, I would like to ask that you consider giving me a like, a follow, a comment. Would love a comment, especially if you disagree. Just keep it respectful. Subscribe, post bell notification. Now that I've gotten that out the way, let's go on ahead and let's get into the video. So, April the 13th, Governor Brian Kemp signed Georgia constitutional carry into law. Now, I'm not a gun fanatic or anything like that. However, I do believe that we as Americans have the right to bear arms. For the people out there that say, well, are you a part of a well-regulated militia? Yes, I am. My street address is my militia. So I am entitled to get or bear arms, if you want to take that argument. Outside of that argument, outside of the people that say, are you a part of a well-regulated militia, for the more realistic people that have the argument against people owning firearms, or having to go through not background checks, but having to have a license to carry, either concealed or open, it doesn't make any sense to have to apply for a license, pay for a license, either annually or semi-annually or 5-10 years, however often it is, to exercise a right. It's a right to own a gun. You should be able to take that gun anywhere that you want to, as long as it is not prohibited. I shouldn't have to submit papers giving up one of my rights in order to do that. Now, to purchase the gun, that's a whole nother conversation. But just to be able to carry and possess that gun on my person, I should not have to have a license in order to do that. Now, the reason why I say this video is for the women in Atlanta is because Keisha, Mayor Bottoms, or the former Mayor Bottoms, certainly showed her displeasure in a series of tweets. And the first one that I ran across is this one. It says, "Perhaps I've missed the data, but has there been a reduction in gun violence in any state that has allowed citizens to carry a concealed handgun without a license?" That is a great question. Personally, as somebody that lives in Atlanta, it's not a question I really give a damn about. What I want to know is, why is the crime here, specifically the shootings, why are they so out of control? I think that would have probably been like a more appropriate question to ask, seeing as how like you were the mayor formerly when things kind of started to spiral out of control. I'm not blaming you completely for it. However, I just, this question that you posed right here, as someone that likes to go out, I don't really give a damn about the law abiding citizens. I care about the people that should not have pistols, or not only pistols, Dracos, or pistols with switches on them, or modified ARs, or AKs, or baby AKs, or the weapons that these kids are running around out here with playing Call of Duty. Let's go on ahead and let me show you the next tweet. Once again, this was when he I'm not sure where the article was that she tweeted the link to, and put this caption right here. But Keisha Woman is a black woman in Atlanta. I believe she's Mrs. Bottoms. I'm pretty sure that she's married, and if she's not, I apologize. But she's got somebody that theoretically should be there to protect her. There are a lot of single women here in Atlanta, as well as across the country, and crime is out of control. And if you are listening to this as a woman, you are sucking your teeth up until this point. I know that you have seen the videos of the people that were outside of somebody's door, and they said, "Oh, she's got a Ring camera," or the guys that tried to come inside of the woman's home, and her Ring camera catches them like pacing back and forth. You need a gun. fuck up, excuse my language, bleep all the BS that Keisha Lance Bottoms is tweeting. That's not going to help you when you're in freaking on the belt line and somebody tries to accost you. I mean, you got to think, if you are in Atlanta, if you've been here for any amount of time, I'm pretty sure that you remember that they found a body that was dismembered down at the belt line. You've probably seen on like Atlanta Uncensored, or I think the other one is Atlanta Uncut, the little kids pulling the freaking gun out on the couple that was recording. I don't have to tell you how many road rage incidents there are for you to protect yourself. Just because you have a firearm doesn't mean that you're going to use it. But there are people that are out there using firearms that they don't care about a license or not because they're criminals. Criminals don't care about laws. You retweeting this nonsense that former Mayor Bottoms is tweeting out ain't going to help you. The police are not getting there fast enough. After the defund the police movement, they're more reactionary than anything. They're just coming to clean up the blood. You have to be responsible for your own safety. You better get a gun, better learn how to use it and know how to protect yourself, and pray that you never have to use it. You just want it just in case. You don't want to be stuck in a situation where you say, damn, I wish that I would have had the ability to do X, Y, and Z. It is a God-given right via the Constitution of the United States. So I guess in this tweet, she's giving out information to people that might have forgotten that they were felons, that they can't carry, or treated for mental health abuse or substance abuse within the last 5 years. Okay, I guess this is an important stat to know, or not stat, but a law to know. Now I would also, and I'm not somebody that's just saying like now that constitutional carry is available that, hey, everybody just start carrying. I would still recommend that everybody go and take gun safety classes, learn the laws, because if you fire a gun, you're responsible for that bullet no matter what it hits. So, and the laws vary from state to state, city to city. So I'm all about gun safety, all about knowing your rights regarding laws, and standing your ground, and domain or castle domain or doctrine, all that stuff. I just don't think that we need to be forced by the government to have to give up our papers and pay a fee in order to do that. Doesn't make any sense. So I am going to leave it at that. Ladies, once again, listen to me. If you are in Atlanta, I'm not talking to anyone outside of the Atlanta metro area. Damn what these tweets are saying. Y'all watch the news. You're on social media. If you go out and about, you've seen it was somebody that just got shot. She was, I believe, in Buckhead, walking to her car and gets hit by a stray bullet. There are dangers out in this world that are real and present. Next time that you go to Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, listen to the PA announcer. They talk about sex trafficking. You have to keep your eyes and ears open, and you have to protect yourself. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end it. You all stay safe.